Welcome to Body Full of Joy. I'm LeeAnn and this is your Joyful Minute. Have you ever been in a situation where you started to feel good, but then somehow the feelings went away, or maybe you started pushing them away? This happens all the time. It happens because over the course of our lives, our own history, our own experiences, our bodies learn to lock down on things that might be dangerous or have gotten us in trouble, or maybe we just weren't sure really allowed. Not all of us experienced being allowed or encouraged to feel a lot of joy. What that looks like in the physical body is often a tension or a move away. There's a different way that you can kind of pay attention and feel for it. So I recommend you start to track for yours. When you're in a situation and you notice that joy starts to kick up, pay attention to what you physiologically do that starts to turn it down. Do you stop breathing? Do you lock your jaw? Do you get collapsed or tighten your chest? Do you kind of pull back a little bit physically or energetically? In that moment, you can start to practice something different. First of all, just try not doing the thing you always do and see what changes. You can even take an intention to let more in. Once you've learned to track this in your body, you can apply it anywhere in your life, from the boardroom to the bedroom. So you can apply it when someone offers you a compliment at work, or you can apply it when you're receiving intimate touch from your partner. In all those situations, you can practice tracking joy. In the show notes, there's a guided meditation on this practice that you can grab if you want to. That's it for now. Thanks for coming to Body Full of Joy. If you like this video, check out the rest in this series, and remember, move your body, love your mind.